This section allows customers or system administrators to update their company contact details depending on the type of access they have. To add or update required information, navigate to App and click Service Provider Profile. The first tab you see is Company Details. Here you can update company profile, including your basic information, contact details, and email addresses. In order to facilitate workers with a mobile application, you require a unique client ID which must be entered on this page. This helps workers to securely access and sync data onto their mobile. For more details, please refer to your account sign-up emails. When done, simply press the Save button. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.